I'm Faye Price, and I'm the director of the Watsons Go to Birmingham 1963.
My name is Christina Ham, and I'm the playwright for the Watsons Go to Birmingham 1963.
My name is Darius Smith. I am the composer, lyricist, and orchestrator for the Watsons Go to Birmingham. The story of the Watsons is really about a family traveling and learning and discovering and coming closer together.
I think of it as a coming-of-age story of a young man, Kenny, in the play. He's 10, in the book he's 10. He's got an older brother, a younger sister, and he's growing up in Flint, Michigan, and his older brother starts to get in a whole lot of trouble.
Their oldest son, Byron, has become a bit of what his younger brother calls a juvenile delinquent, and they're rather worried for his safety and his future, and so they feel like the last stop in helping him is to take him to Grandma Sand's house down in Birmingham.
We get to meet the adult Kenny, and as well as the younger Kenny, and the adult Kenny actually talks about how pivotal that moment was for him when his parents took him down south. And it was supposed to be for his older brother Byron, but it changed the whole family.
They're there during the civil rights movement. The Children's Crusade had just happened, and so a lot of kids that they're seeing down there aren't just playing on swings and having a good time, but they're actually on the front lines of the civil rights movement.